Here I have Samsung Galaxy, and let me show you how to activate the factory reset protection on the following device. So let me show you how to set up the Google protection on the Samsung smartphones. So in order to activate the Google protection, you need to do two things. You need to add the Google account and set up the screen lock. So it's as simple as that. Let's start by adding the Google account. Let's open the list of all apps, choose here settings, and here let's find this blue icon and tap accounts and backup. From the following list, let me choose manage accounts, and here you can check out if you have added previously the Google account. If yes, it's alright, you don't have to do it again, but let's make sure that you know the credentials with this Google account, because you will need it later when the factory reset protection will be activated. For me, let me add the new Google account, so here let's choose Google. The phone is checking info, so of course you need to have the internet access. Let's enter the email. Alright, tap next. Let's enter the password, so let me pause it for a second. Alright, let me tap next. Now you have to decide either you would use this device or your child. Let me choose the first option, tap next. Let's agree to terms and conditions about Google. Here you've got the information about Google services. Let me keep enabled the backup device data. It's always a good idea to have this option. Tap accept, and that's it. So now we can go to the second step, so setting up the screen lock protection. Let's go back, and here in this section you've got the lock screen lock. Let me tap it. As you can see, let's choose the first option, screen lock and biometrics. And here you can use one of the following screen lock. You can use the PIN password pattern. Of course, you can also set up later the face recognition, fingerprints, and other options. But in my case, let me use pattern. Let's draw the unlock pattern that you would like to use. In my case, let me use this simple one, tap confirm. Let me keep those settings default, tap done, and that's it. Now you've got the screen lock protection, and that's it. Okay, so the phone with the Google account and the screen lock have activated the Google account protection, so the factory reset protection. So that means that after hard reset, your phone will ask for a Google account, and without the Google account credentials, you or somebody else can be able to activate the phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.